Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall VLC Media Player. So let's have a look now. To uninstall VLC Media Player, first access the control panel. In the control panel on Windows, look for Programs or Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs or applications, locate VLC Media Player. It should be alphabetically arranged. On Windows, right-click on VLC Media Player and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.